Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Crypto markets are flashing a rare contrarian signal. CryptoQuant data reveals that net altcoin selling pressure has hit a 5-year low. After 15 consecutive months of outflows, the accumulation phase appears complete. The altcoin season index is currently hovering near the critical threshold of 20. Historically, this level marks the inflection point where capital rotates from Bitcoin into smaller cap assets. Traders are watching for a break above this line to confirm a sustained trend reversal. On the geopolitical front, the nuclear standoff between Iran and the West has entered a fragile new phase. Kazakhstan has emerged as the neutral custodian for Iran's 440.9 kilograms of enriched uranium. This arrangement aims to bridge the trust deficit between Tehran and Washington ahead of looming IAEA deadlines. However, the political risk remains elevated. Any delay in verification could trigger immediate volatility in energy and defense sectors. Turning to monetary policy, the Bank of England has held interest rates steady at 3.75%. The decision reflects a delicate balancing act. The Middle East conflict is driving energy prices higher, complicating the inflation outlook for UK households and businesses. The BoE is prioritizing stability over aggressive tightening, acknowledging the external energy shock. This pause suggests that inflation pressures are being driven by supply constraints rather than domestic demand. In the energy sector, OPEC Plus has issued a long-term forecast projecting global oil demand to reach 124 million barrels per day by 2050. This growth is fueled primarily by transport and petrochemical industries. The projection reshapes long-term energy investment strategies, signaling that fossil fuels will remain central to the global economy for decades. Investors should adjust portfolios to reflect this extended timeline for oil demand. Meanwhile, Australia's renewable energy transition is facing a significant execution gap. The probable clean energy pipeline has surged 30% to 32.3 gigawatts. Yet, financial commitments have collapsed by 46%. This divergence highlights a critical disconnect between project development and capital deployment. The grid shift is accelerating, but funding is lagging, creating potential bottlenecks for future capacity. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar is notably quiet. There are no major high-impact releases scheduled in the next 36 hours. This absence of data allows markets to digest the geopolitical and monetary developments without immediate disruption. Traders are likely to focus on technical levels in crypto and energy stocks rather than macroeconomic surprises. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.